A brand new Blast multiplier just dropped. This is the second to last Blast multiplier for points before the token generation event happens on June 26th. So let's hop in and make sure we can get this thing real quick. As a reminder, if you haven't joined the Blast airdrop yet, go to blast.matscrypto.com and you can join the airdrop there with my team. Then once you've joined the airdrop, you're gonna go over to blast.io and go to the bridge tab, and you can bridge over however much money you want to onto Blast L2. Once you've done those steps, you'll be right here on the dashboard earning Blast points for the Blast airdrop, which again is happening in less than 10 days. So we want to get this multiplier up to a 22x by going over to the multipliers tab, scrolling down, and we have all these done already. If you haven't done these yet, go and watch this video on how to do all of those other multipliers. But the one today is the miscellaneous multiplier, and you have to use any miscellaneous DApp with any amount of capital to get this 2x multiplier. We're going to use Wasabi over here because we've already used it before and we know that it works pretty well, and it actually has quite a bit of gold left. You can see right here, they have about 700,000 gold left to distribute, so we could get a lot of gold from interacting here today as well. Then you'll click on the link down below to go over to Wasabi, and right here, you're gonna go to Earn, this Earn tab right here. You're gonna see all these different vaults. Basically, any token you have, if you have Pac Moon, if you have B-Wool, Bag, Ole, whatever the token you have, all we need to do is do one small transaction. What I like to do is actually go ahead and vault some of these coins, because what happens is, you can see right here, I have wrapped B-Wool. Since I have 18,000 of these, I actually go ahead and click on this vault and deposit some of them into this vault, and I'm gonna earn a very small percent APY. But some of these, like USDB, you can actually earn 22% as of right now on your wrapped USDB by vaulting it in Wasabi. Okay, so one of the coins that I actually have right now is Pac Moon. We're gonna go ahead and vault the Pac Moon by clicking on this right here, and then it's going to pop up with these Wasabi Pac Vault. We can click max to deposit all 501 Pac Moon into this vault and start earning some APY, but it's also gonna qualify us for this multiplier. You can again use any of the tokens that you see here. So if you have any of these, you can literally use one of those tokens, even if it's worth minimal cents. Then we'll sign the transaction, and there you go. We have deposited 501 Pac to the Wasabi Pac Vault, and you're gonna see insufficient balance because we can't deposit anymore. If we wanna redeem at any point, click the redeem here. We'll go ahead and do the same thing and redeem it, and then we'll withdraw our Pac when we wanna go ahead and move that Pac elsewhere. But for right now, if we go back to our vaults, we can see that we have wrapped B-Wool, and then we now have wrapped Pac in our vaults. So we're gonna start earning immediately on those, and if we go over back to the multipliers tab here and refresh and wait a couple minutes, it should approve this multiplier. Okay, there we go. We refreshed the page, waited a few minutes, and our 2x multiplier from miscellaneous is complete. We'll have to wait a few more minutes, but this multiplier will update to a 22x, meaning that we're gonna get 22x the amount of points we would have gotten if we didn't do all of these multipliers. Again, if you are new to Blast and want to participate in this airdrop in the next 10 days before it launches on June 26th, all you have to do is go over and watch this video. I tell you how to do everything in there, so you simply don't wanna miss it. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.